Dear students, under the topic applications of derivatives, here we have problem 5. The question is the demand function is given by x equal to 25 divided by y to the power 4 for y lying between 1 and 5. Now we have to determine the elasticity of demand. So we have to find the elasticity of demand. So what is the formula for the elasticity of demand? We have already written the formula. That is, elasticity of demand is given by y by x multiplied with dx by dy. So let us take and write this formula first. So the elasticity of demand, which I will mention as ED in short, and that is given as y divided by x multiplied with dx d by dy. So this is the formula. So for this, in order to apply this formula, first we have to find dx by dy, and it has to be found from the given demand function. So what is x? X is given to be equal to 25 divided by y to the power 4. And this can be rewritten as x is equal to 25 multiplied with y to the power negative 4, because I have taken y power 4, which is in the denominator, to the numerator. So it becomes, the power becomes negative, and so we get y to the power minus 4. We need dx by dy, which means we have to differentiate x with respect to y. So dx by dy will be equal to 25 is a constant, so it comes as it is. And now we have to differentiate this y with respect to now we have to differentiate this y with respect to x. So what we will be getting, with respect to y itself, because we are doing dx by dy. Now we have to differentiate y with respect to y. So we will be getting minus 4 multiplied with, what is the differentiation? Y to the power minus 4 minus 1. So it will be y power minus 5. We are using the formula differentiation of x power n is nx to the power n minus 1. So when we use this formula, here the value of n is like minus 5, and instead of x we have y. So it becomes minus 4. So it becomes minus 4 multiplied with y to the power minus 4 minus 1, which is minus 5. So this is what. So we have obtained dx by dy to be this. Further simplifying and rewriting it, we get equal to minus, what is 25 multiplied by 4? It is 100. And then divided by y to the power 5, because when y taken to the denominator, the power becomes positive, and so we get y to the power 5. So this is our dx by dy. Now we shall take and substitute this in this formula. So what we will be getting? So the elasticity of demand will be equal to y by x multiplied with dx by dy, which is minus 100 divided by y to the power 5. So it becomes, one of the y gets cancelled, and here it becomes y power 4. And so the answer will be minus 100 divided by x multiplied with y to the power 4. Now what is y power 4? From the question we know that y power 4 is equal to, that is, from the question we know that x is equal to 25 by y power 4. So from this, when we cross multiply, here it will be x multiplied with y power 4 equal to 25, and therefore from that we will be getting y power 4 to be equal to 25 divided by x, taking this x to the right. So y power 4 is what? 25 by x. So we shall substitute that here, and therefore finally the elasticity of demand will be equal to minus 100 divided by x multiplied with y power 4 is 25 by x. So this x and x gets cancelled, and so we get minus 100 by 25, and this is 4 times, and therefore the answer will be negative 4. So therefore the elasticity of demand is equal to minus 4 for the given problem. So hence we have found the elasticity of demand, which is equal to minus 4. So I hope you would have understood this problem. Thank you.